Welcome to the Smart Ads Facebook tutorial, How to Activate Smart Ads, Admin Access. A simpler way to create digital ads and optimize performance automatically from the admin panel. Generate more orders and revenue as a result of AI learning algorithms to optimize return on ad spend. And create ad visuals with quick and easy templates. With the Shopline Smart Ads system, we have a dashboard for you to create ads directly using product pictures that you uploaded into your Shopline inventory system, select ad goals, budget, parameters, and targets quickly with drop-down list, checkboxes, and scroll bars. Select from a choice of static, dynamic, and video slideshow ads. Feed them with your Shopline inventory SKU and watch it being generated automatically. You can choose to upload a video file into Smart Ads to supplement your inventory pictures. At a glance and visually attractive data graphics that will point out what matters the most. You can export the performance reports for offline review. The Smart Ad AI Manager will adjust ads according to performance changes and close ads of out-of-stock products. Email notifications will be sent for every AI behavior. You're ready to get started? Your Shopline account manager will need admin access to activate Smart Ads for you. So here's how to do it. First, you will need to go to business.facebook.com. Select your Facebook page. Select Business Settings. Click Pages. Select Partners. Select Assign Partners. Select Business ID. Key in the 3 partner business IDs provided. Add each one. Select Manage Page. Click Next. You're done! If you have a Facebook pixel, please grant the same admin access to the 3 business IDs provided. However, if you don't have a Facebook pixel, don't worry. Just let your account manager know and they will help you create one. Now that the access has been granted, notify your account manager and they will activate Smart Ads for you within 24 to 48 hours. Thank you.